Welcome to Learn English with Chi Chi. Let's learn English with simple and emotional stories. Please relax and enjoy the story. It is a quiet morning. It is raining. The rain is soft and slow. A young girl sits in front of her house. Her name is May. She sits under a tree. She is alone. May looks down at her hands. She is holding a small cloth. It is old but clean. Her grandmother made it. May touches the cloth slowly. Her hands shake a little. She whispers, "Grandma, I miss you." No one answers. Her grandmother is not here. Her grandmother is gone. Before, life was different. The house was warm. The house was full of love. Her grandmother lived with her. Every morning, her grandmother woke up early. She cooked food. She made warm rice and soup. She smiled and said, "Good morning, May." May felt happy. Her grandmother helped her wash her face. She fixed her hair. Then she said, "Be a good girl. Be kind." May listened. At night, they sat together. Her grandmother told stories. The stories were simple. The stories were kind. May listened and smiled. She felt safe. When May was sleepy, her grandmother stayed with her. She did not leave. She sat next to May until she slept. Sometimes May was sad. She cried. Her grandmother came close. She touched May's head. She said, "It's okay. I am here." May stopped crying. She felt better. One day, everything changed. That morning was very quiet. There was no cooking sound, no voice. May woke up. She looked around. "Grandma?" she called. No answer. May went to her grandmother's room. Her grandmother was in bed. She was very still. May walked closer. "Grandma, wake up." But her grandmother did not move. She did not speak. She did not smile. May did not understand, but her heart felt very sad, very, very sad. Days passed. The house became quiet, too quiet. May sat alone every day. She held the small cloth. She looked at the door. She waited. She asked, "Will you come back?" But no one came. At night, May could not sleep. No stories, no warm voice, no one beside her. One day, May found an old book. Inside, she saw a letter. She read it. "My dear May, if you read this, I am not with you, but I am still in your heart. Be kind, be good, help people, smile more. I will always love you." May cried, but she also felt warm. The next day, she studied. She helped her friends. She smiled more. Day by day, she changed. She became kind. She became strong. Years passed. People said, "She is a kind person." One evening, May sat under the tree. She said, "Grandma, I am trying my best." A soft wind touched her face. Love stays. Love never goes away. Be kind. Be good. Love your family. Thank you for watching. Did you like this story? Please like and subscribe for more easy English stories. See you in the next video. Do you miss someone you love?